just like a regular house. Things get messed up or I mess them up. Either way, I have a few projects in the van to fix. I'm at a park right now. There are cars passing by, so you might hear them once in a while, but it's better than Home Depot. Let's start with the first one. You see the stuff here? That's like foam, and that's because this plastic lip unlatched from here. That was much easier than I expected it to be. That's number one. Number two on the list. Number two is to fix the chair passenger wire. I have a swivel seat in the passenger seat, the wire that connects to the sensors, and it works together with the airbag. And last time I swiveled the seat, the airbag thing came on. I did a bit of a YouTube search to find out what the heck is going on. I did clip it back on, but I want to find a way to attach it a little bit better to the chair so that doesn't happen anymore. This is the wire that I was talking about. For some reason, it got caught up. I'm gonna find a way underneath here to see if I can actually strap it a bit better to the seat and still be able to swivel the seat whenever I can. Done and done. Number three on the list. This should be pretty easy. Zip ties to the rescue again. These things are good for everything. I used to use rubber bands. Because it gets hot after a while, they pop off. The wire that goes from my charger to the cigarette lighter hangs down like this, and it's very annoying. This should not come off ever again unless I do something crazy, which could happen. Number four on the list might be the most difficult one. That's because I was actually coming from like front to back to stuff that I need to be doing. But you know what? It doesn't matter because I have to get it done anyway. Okay, so when I redid this whole galley, had to move everything around, including all these walls and all the shelves. I miscalculated a bit because this is really hard to take out and it's a lot harder to put in. And this is my pots and pans drawer, which I use a lot more than I thought now that it's hard to use because it's such a small space. If you could just only see the position that I'm in right now. You try to fix one thing and then you mess up the other thing. Hopefully I fix this thing and it doesn't mess up anything else. That's why I keep all the tools with me. I mean, I wouldn't be able to put them anywhere else because I don't have any garage or anything like that. And I'm really happy because I can do all the repairs that I need to the van. Moment of truth. Let's see if that worked. Done. And the shoes. All right, next item. So I'm gonna whip up some food here, no time to waste. I am gonna make the Old Faithful, the avocado toast. Let's get cracking. That harissa sauce, 10 out of 10. Lately, I've been trying to be healthier, as you guys may know. I'm not one for dessert, but if I'm gonna have something, I'm gonna have something healthy. The next item is the table pin. Let me just show you guys. So I got this leg right here, which has this hole that I made that I can align with the stand, but what happens is that because of the stand moves and that doesn't hold the table in place the way I want it. And this is the table that I have, which is just kind of a cutting board. It has the hole in here. I actually have a video about this whole thing with the tables that I have in the van. But what happens, give it a second. It depends on what direction the van is tilted. It'll just not stay put. If I want to put it here, it'll just go down. If my van is tilted the other way, which is usually the case when I'm actually camping on the street somewhere, it'll just go this way, and it's annoying as heck. So let's fix that. Good to go. I'm hoping it's a super simple fix, but basically rather than have a hole in here, which, like I said, it moves, I'm gonna drill a hole through all three of them. I have a set of drill bits, and I like that they're obviously marked because this is the bag of the pin, which is also marked. All right, look at that. All right, there we go. It doesn't move anymore. Now I'm sweating. There's the sun is beating right from there, but it's kind of nice because I can get some lighting here so I can film better. It's like cooking me right now. But look, table is a go. Last but not least on the list is the backpack hanger in the back door. All right, so motorcycle. This street gets a lot of motorcycle ones because it's twisty and it's the only one, and people just go crazy on it, even though it's 35 miles an hour. They go a lot faster than that. Plus, at the end of the street, there's a motorcycle bar. So it's just motorcycles, and they're all really loud. So I have this bag here, which doesn't hold anything interesting. It just holds all the wires that I have, and I have nowhere else to put it. I have this hook right here, which I just had in the van, and I'm hoping that it's going to hold it much better. Oh, that is stable. Now what I gotta do is put it in the loop there. Oh, come on, baby, you got this. I'm gonna go outside and have a better grip at it. Yes, yes. Yeah, love it. I actually did move it from here, if you see that hole, to here, just because when I sleep, it's a bit more away from my feet, but pretty happy with the result. Just like a regular home, the van always has some sort of fixing that needs to be done. It's a house that is always in an earthquake. Things come up, things come loose, things get broken. Some of the things are my fault, some of the things are mostly my fault. So I get to fix them and let you guys watch me suffer. It was actually pretty fun to make this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Check out this video up here if you want to see more van life related stuff. I'll see you guys in the next one.